How long does it take to rebuild your credit score? Rebuilding your credit score can take time, but the good news is that it's possible with patience and persistence. Here are some steps you can take to speed up the process. Check your creditor report for errors or inaccuracies and dispute any mistakes. Make on-time payments on all of your bills and credit accounts. Keep your credit card balances low and pay them off in full each month. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once, as this can hurt your credit score. Consider getting a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit account to start building credit. The amount of time it takes to rebuild your credit score depends on the severity of the negative marks on your report and how quickly you can make positive changes. In general, it can take anywhere from several months to a few years to see significant improvements. To fix your credit for free, credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.